How to add products on BigCommerce. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add products on BigCommerce. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your BigCommerce store. You will get to your mybigcommerce.com, open up your control panel. This is where we are. This is a store that I have on BigCommerce and I'll show you how to add a product. If you have a new store, then the add product option is just right away. You can see start accepting orders, click on add products. If you do not have this option, you can just see there is this panel right here and we have the product option. Click on product, click on add product, and you will get to the option. So I'm just going to click right here. So in here, we have these steps to follow. Basic information. In basic information, you're going to enter your product name. So I am actually adding this product. There you go. Enter SKU, price. So this is going to be the price for my product. You can select your currency on your store. Then we have product type. If it's going to be a physical or a digital product, it's a physical product. We can select the brand as well and enter the weight. Then we have categories. Description. In description, you will enter whatever you want to write. For now, I'm just going to write the word description. Moving on, we have images and video. You can drag and drop or upload. So I'm going to upload an image. This is my product right here. We can also add an alt text and add more than one image. Select a thumbnail. You can also upload videos. Then we have product identifiers, SKU, product UPC, picking number, price that we added, text class, text provider, inventory, product options where we can add variants. Let's add variants to our product. Click on add variant option, select size or color, whatever you want to go for. If it's going to be a drop down, radio buttons and other, I'm going to go with drop down. So with sizes, we have small, medium, and large. You can, of course, customize them and add, for example, XL, X, or others. So I'm going with this one. Click on save variants. Moving on, we have customization where you can add some of the modifier options. Then we have storefront details such as the keywords for our product. Then we have warranty information, availability text, conditions, custom fields that we can add right here that allow us to add some specific additional information that will appear on the product page. Then we have related products if you want to show them. Fulfillment. In fulfillment, we again have dimensions and weight for the product. You can enter the height, weight, width, and depth. And then we have shipping details. What is going to be the shipping price? So I am going with free shipping here. Then we have purchasability. This product can be purchased in online store or it is also available on other websites. I'm just going with this one. You can also add your minimum purchase quantity, gift wrapping, custom information, SEO, and sharing. With BigCommerce, there are a lot of options that we have to go through, and it helps us to create an SEO friendly product. So you can enter the information for your search engine. Then we have some graphs. Once you're done with all of these options, click on save and your new product will be created on BigCommerce. This is the product that we just created. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.